They got like 5,000 people in it.
We're trying to find Ayana.
SHEIN.
Still didn't find her.
SHEIN. This must be Leo.
Where the link at?
What's up, y'all? It's me and Lou. Headed to Miami. Taking off.
Part 2. Miami Part 2.
Hey, yo! Check out his drip.
Check it out.
Check out the hair.
Big ass pin on my chin. That shit is being noticeable. I'm insecure.
Mo, look at mine up here. You can't really. No, that shit's huge though. No.
This is trying to be dang.
Jenny should stop recording me.
No speed. I don't know how to do 100 bucks.
Like, what are you doing? Yo! Well, we're here at the airport waiting for a rental
Oh, it's over
car.
10 o'clock.
No, that's good. Oh, look, it's over.
That's liquor.
Anyway.
What do they call it out here? Wine and spirits still, right?
Oh, I hope so. No, my lash is coming off, y'all. Anyway, we're here. There's Lou. And everyone else. Enterprise. Ayana and Jalen. Over there. Y'all, this is us walking to get the rental car. We've literally been walking since we got off. Like, it's super hot. I look super hot. My ass is super
You gotta get out here. Yeah. I'm gonna try again.
He's not gonna let him catch him.
Yeah, he's so
This nigga is
slow.
spraying, yo. Lou is funny with it. Look, get him, 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 get him. This is hilarious. Yo, I got it on camera.
Yo, he's so lucky he got it because he would have been burnt.
I just saved
I've seen a TikTok a long time.
Fuck all of y'all.
I seen a TikTok a long time ago. These niggas had a PlayStation.
I look crazy, but we're here grocery shopping.
Oh,
I look crazy because it's hot. Why you do that, Luke? I love this Walmart. Give me Airbnb tour. This is the living room. This is the dining room. TV. Kitchen with all our stuff. Refrigerator. Outside. Okay. Oh. This is
Oh, I guess not. Can't go in there again. Oh!
I'm dead. Ayana. She's
That was another room.
She said, "Did you say I thought that was another room?" And then this is Ayana and Jalen's room. Then I'll show you guys the bathroom in a minute.
Miami, bitches! Miami!
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Lewis, you need to get the fuck right, all right? No bitches don't like a nigga that can't hold their liquor, bro. Your hair is getting fucked up.
I'm good.
Bro, you're getting...
We'll make him better.
Yo, this nigga is fucking his hair up.
Going up.
I'm good.
No, this nigga's
Let's
fucked.
go. If he's not throwing up, he's
Both of y'all niggas are fucked
Let's
up.
go, Lou. Let's go, Lou!
Jay. My hair.
Let's go. I'll suffocate you.
I'm good.
Let's go.
I'm getting up.
Get up now.
Let's go.
Jalen, look at that water. Let me see your phone. That didn't work.
Y'all ain't throwing my phone in the water.
I tried throwing on the floor. Come on, get up, big guy. The floor is warm. Hot as fuck. Get your ass up, Lewis.
Lewis, who are you? Fly guy? It don't look like it.
I'm lit.
Damn, Lou.
James.
I was trying to help
Relax, chill.
you. You gotta get
Here.
up, dweeb. Child, this is embarrassing.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Get up, Lou. Before I smack your big
Hey,
booty
yo.
Hey guys. Ayana. Ayana. We're getting some pineapple things. I think my glasses are crooked.
Now this one is cook it with mix it with the
Who is the ussy? Because he's not trying to take a shot.
First of all, I
Look at these little cups. Mom. Look.
Screaming.
Look at the little cup. I'm not gonna take it.
Play, turn the lights off. Hey, Tory! And we go a little something like this.
Fuck nigga freak. Gotta break it by the fuck nigga. INGLE.